Do your employees miss their stand-up meetings because they are waiting for the house helps and get stuck at home? Well, the solution is right here by Swiss Military, this portable vacuum cleaner for car, home as well as for office. Comes with 3 extensions and a tube with a decent length, and comes with a HEPA filter which can be washed easily. Plus, comes with very low noise. That means no disturbance at all. Put your logo and brand name in terms of printing on the vacuum cleaner itself. Go ahead, add this to your next hamper for your employees from offyneeds.com.